Hello everybody. I just wanted to come back in here really fast and re-show this because I hadn't finished this beauty when I did the last video. So I did finish her and I am in the process of trying to get things loaded onto Etsy. This is the visor, and I think I said I keep saying it again, I don't know why. It's, well, I have one hanging from the car visor, but it swings around or whatever, so I don't recommend that. But hey, if you want to do that, go right ahead. Your rear view mirror is what I really mean to say, to hang these. So that's what that is, rear view mirror hanger for your car freshies. And this is this gorgeous little wristlet. Love the cowhouse print on that one. And this is the matching pin that goes with that. Let's get that back in there. But yes, here it is. Now I'm trying to see if I'm going to put a hook in this one because I couldn't get the hook in one of the others, so I just hooked the horn part. So either way it goes, we'll have some way to hang that up there.